So if you want to change the voice of Gemini, simply launch the Gemini app on your phone and then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner and then select settings. Under settings, you should see Gemini's voice. You can tap on that.
I'm ready to be your voice.
And
if
that's
you like
your,
what you hear, choose me to start talking.
That's your default voice, and you can keep scrolling and listen to different voices.
Feel free to keep exploring until you find the perfect voice.
You can always change voices later. I'll be here when... If you're curious about the other voices, swipe to explore or pick me to start talking.
So if you like any of the voices, and there are plenty of them that you can scroll, and once you find the one that you like, just tap on select, and that's going to be a new voice on Gemini. So let's try it out. Hi, Gemini.
Hi there. What can I help you with today?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.